As you can see, I'm working on 2 ladybirds at the moment. So this isn't a tutorial for online or anything like that. This is just something I want to do. Just so, I don't know, something to sell, I suppose, on the internet. You know what I'm like. But I'm trying to work on some of the hairy areas of these little feet, these little legs. They're quite hairy in places, they really are. It's amazing when you start to study an insect as lovely as these, but more of a sort of semi-microscopic kind of level, and when you really see all these details within them and the tiny little areas, using my tiny little brush, which is my 00. This is the Cotman Series 111 00. As I say, it's not. I don't get any money from Winsor & Newton, so don't worry. It's just one I tend to use on a regular basis. Anybody that follows my work knows which brushes I use. I just want to try and pick out some of the details using watercolour white around these little legs. Unusual shapes they really are, trying to work out where things go. I've got quite a lot of fun painting, especially when you're painting the wing cases around here as well, and trying to get that form and shape, thinking about the layers of colour within there, and trying to think about how to kind of get those layers coming forward as you're going up. So it's all about a building process. I tend to kind of akin it to thinking about if you're building a house. You've got to put the foundations down first. Then on top of those foundations, you've got to think about the walls, the structures, the layers, all building up as you go along. And that's how I look at watercolour, is that every layer I work on is built up in layers. It's all working to that final detail layer on the top. And just a little bit of sparkle here and there, adding that tiny little bit of watercolour white. You can tone it back down again. I'm going to go back to this front kind of foot, just to tone that back down. Add a little bit more in there. Yeah, I think that'll do. Okay. But that's just kind of give you some ideas what I'm working on. That's all this video is for. Just show you what I'm working on. And say if you fancy having a go at anything like this, let me know. Or anything similar, which I do as online tuition. Obviously you can have a look at my online tutorial pages. You're more than welcome to check them out. There are some free content on there as well, so have a look at the freebies. And if you do anything on the free side of things, please post on here, put a comment down below. I would love to see what you've done on there, okay? So until next time round, I'll talk to you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.